Yeah, good morning. Look at my black tilapias. Gutom na yung mga yan. And of course, may nahalong red tilapia. Now, the age of my tilapias are magto 2 months. So ganyan na sila kalalaki. And they are very hungry right now. Okay, alright guys. Here's your breakfast. There you go. Okay. Now, I feed them 3 times a day. So, ganito lang kalaki yung takalan ko. So, they are 100 pieces. And I feed them 3 times a day. So, tigi-isa lang per meals. So, one is, right now, the time right now is, I think it's past 7 a.m. And next is 11 a.m. And last would be 2 or 3 p.m. So, that will be the last meal. Alright guys, thank you so much. This is Ferds from Aquaponics Quezon City. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.